Looking for headphones with powerful bass, clear audio, and all-day comfort? Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for the latest and smartest tech gear. In this video, we're taking a look at the JBL Tune 510BT wireless headphones. Featuring JBL Pure Bass Sound, Bluetooth connectivity, up to 40 hours of battery life, and a lightweight on-ear design. These headphones are built to keep your music, calls, and entertainment going all day long. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the JBL Tune 510BT wireless headphones, USB Type-C charging cable, user manual and quick start guide, product features. Equipped with JBL's signature Pure Bass Sound technology, it delivers powerful low frequencies while maintaining clear mids and crisp highs. This well-balanced audio performance enhances everything from music and podcasts to movies and gaming, providing an immersive listening experience wherever you go. The built-in rechargeable battery offers up to 40 hours of continuous wireless playback, allowing you to enjoy your favorite content for extended periods without interruption. A quick charge feature also provides hours of listening time with just a short charging session, making the headphones convenient for busy lifestyles. Advanced Bluetooth 5.0 technology ensures a fast, stable, and energy-efficient wireless connection with smartphones, tablets, laptops, and other compatible devices. The headphones support seamless audio streaming and hands-free calling, helping you stay connected while enjoying high-quality sound. Designed with comfort and portability in mind, it features a lightweight on-ear construction that remains comfortable during long listening sessions. The foldable design allows the headphones to fit easily into bags and backpacks, making them an excellent choice for commuting, travel, work, or everyday use. Technical specifications. How to wear. Check the markings on each ear cup, L for left and R for right, and align them correctly with your ears. This ensures proper sound balance and helps you experience audio the way it was intended, with clear stereo separation and accurate direction. Gently place the ear cups over your ears and adjust their position so they fully cover your ears without gaps. Make small adjustments to ensure a secure and comfortable fit that delivers clear, balanced sound while reducing outside noise. How to pair? Press and hold the power button located on the left ear cup until the LED starts flashing. This indicates that your Sony WH-CH520 headphones are powered on and now in pairing mode, ready to connect to your device. On your smartphone, open Bluetooth or connected devices on Android and select Pair New Device. From the list of available devices, tap Tune 510BT wireless headphones and confirm the pairing. Once connected, the headphones are ready for audio playback. Open the JBL app on your smartphone and tap on the plus icon to add a new device. From the list of available devices, select your headphones and allow the app to sync. Once the pairing and syncing process is complete, your device is ready to use. How to charge. Use the included USB-C charging cable and plug it into the charging port on the headphones. Connect the other end to a power source like a wall adapter, laptop, or power bank. While charging, the LED indicator will show the charging status, and once it's fully charged, usually in about 2 hours, the light will indicate completion. After that, you're ready to enjoy long hours of playback. Safety tips. Avoid extreme temperatures. Use approved chargers. Keep them dry. Clean gently. Use safe listening levels. Store properly. You've been watching Gadgeto Lab, where tech meets innovation and imagination never stops. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned. The future of gadgets is just getting started.